Hello everybody, we are back again. My name's Phil with the Go Sold Real Estate team. This is Kevin Belzer. Welcome to Fountain Hills. Kevin, what's our new listing address?
14218 North Saguaro Boulevard in Fountain Hills.
All right, we are here at the Fountain Hills Park. This place is huge. It's like 20 football fields. What does it include, Kevin?
Well, you got the children's splash pad, children's playgrounds, and you have Frisbee golf.
Love it. I don't play Frisbee golf. I probably would be really bad at it if I did. Enough about me. Let's talk about this fountain. What's going on with the huge fountain behind us?
Well, it goes off every hour on the hour, and when it does, it will shoot water in the air up to 560 feet.
Wow.
Yeah, it's insane.
It's huge. And then typically with the fountains, when does it typically go on and off?
I believe the start time is 9 a.m. and then the last one is 9 p.m.
Wow.
Yeah,
So
it's literally all day.
definitely something cool to see though.
It's pretty spectacular.
Perfect. Let's go take a peek at the house. All right, we're finally at the house in Fountain Hills. Let's talk about specs. Kevin, take it away.
Phil, we're a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a 1-car garage, all on a single level, just under 1,100 square feet.
Perfect. And one last question about the house. Who would the audiences be that would love this house?
Well, a first-time home buyer, somebody that's looking for a second home, like those part-time people, or an investor.
The part-time people meaning snowbirds, and of course, one of the big reasons why it's such a good rental investment, snowbird property, or first-time home buyer property is because of the price point itself, and it's very low maintenance. So, without further ado, let's go take a peek at the inside. All right, Kevin, before ending this beautiful video in Fountain Hills, let's show them one more thing.
Let's go shopping!
All right, last but not least, let's talk about shopping, Kevin. Take it away.
Well, the plaza we're staying in is right next to the fountain. We've got Mountain View Coffee House, we got Euro Pizza, the Euro Cafe Pizza, we got Oyo, the frozen yogurt, and we got Arrivederci, the Italian restaurant.
What I like is that they're all locally owned, or a lot of them are. Very good food, and the best part, it's not too far away from the house itself.
No, it's walking distance.
Perfect. So if they want to set up a showing, what's the easiest way to do that?
Well, you need to call 480-305-6655 or go to our website, gosoldrealty.com.
Thank you so much for joining us today here in Fountain Hills. If you need anything, feel free to let us know. And until next time, have a great day.